You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this organ of the body. We'll be looking at how to say more words and vocabulary from anatomy as well, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more correct pronunciation. So let's break down how you pronounce this word correctly. Intestine, intestine, with a stress on that second syllable. Both British and American English are similar here, so it's fairly simple. Intestine, an example of sentence using this word. The intestine is a different organ than the stomach. Both serve the digestion. Intestine is how you say it, and now you know, right? Like this video. If you found it useful, let me know in the comments what you thought, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.